What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We've got the Ranvoo Wearable Smart Air Conditioner. It's a neck air conditioner or fan for your neck. These are great when you're outdoors and watching like a baseball game or something like that, and you're trying to keep cool as possible. It also, if you don't want to run your air conditioner that much, this is a great way to keep yourself cool by keeping your temperatures low. ICE, AICE Lite is what it is. It's got a 6,000 milliamp battery inside of here. It's personal AC, of course, like I said. It's rechargeable, so you don't need to have any batteries or anything like that. Before we get any further, I want to let you know that this product has been given to me by the company, but they are not sponsoring the review, nor do they get any say in what I talk about when I open and take a look at a product. If you have any questions on this, you can go over to my site over at geekazine.com/review. That'll detail everything all about the review. And if you've got a product that you want me to take a look at, all you have to do is fill out the contact form below. There's the unit right there. We've got some cables right here. That was it from the box. Yeah, that's it. We've got some instructions as well. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. I'm guessing we've got some sort of instructions in here. Yep, there's a little manual and everything. And of course, a little USB to C to A cable right there. So this is the neck fan itself. As you can see, you can readjust it for your neck. And notice that there's no exposed fans around here. So if you've got long hair, you won't get caught. Down here, what we've got is the USB-C, a series of vents throughout this whole thing. We got vents on the outside as well, vents on the upper. We've got a control here. This must be the power on right here. And then if you want to increase or decrease the fan, that little joint, that's where the fan is expanding and contracting around the neck. Nothing opens, no other buttons that I can see. Let's go ahead and put this on, take a look at what we got. Before we do that, I do have to let you know that I did get this for review, but they are not sponsoring this. So all opinions are of my own. It's actually pretty cool to the touch already. So that's what it looks like around my neck, like a little turtleneck or something. The buttons were over here. Like I said, there was a power button. We'll see if this does have a charge. I hear a button and the fans are going. Yep. And I'm feeling air right here on the other side right there. So it's coming up underneath the neck. It is pretty high in there, but I can definitely slow that fan down. What this will do is it will keep the neck and the head cooler. So when you're out, like I said, you're out at a game doing a run or anything like that, you can have this thing running and feel a little bit cooler. On a plane, this would be nice to have. If you've got a long flight, you can bring this in. It's telling us some information here. We're on fan 1 and we've got about 75% battery left on there. So if we raise it up to F2, F3, and those are the 3 different settings. And then off. It's a completely bladeless design with 90-degree wide oscillation. Anyway, that's the ICE Lite neck air conditioner from Ranvoo. Geek out and keep cool, folks.